8-minute reset, quick meditation for busy lives. Welcome and thank you for taking this moment to pause and reset. Find a comfortable position wherever you are. Sit or lie down in a way that feels supportive. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a slow, deep breath in. And slowly breathe out. Allow your breathing to begin slowing down. There's nothing you need to do right now. Nothing you need to fix or solve. This is your time to reset. Take another deep breath in through your nose. And gently release it through your mouth. Let your shoulders drop and relax. Release tension from your jaw and your face. Feel your body beginning to settle. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice each inhale and each exhale. Let your breath become your anchor. If your mind feels busy, that is okay. Simply notice your thoughts without following them. Gently return your focus back to your breath. Each breath bringing you back to the present moment. Feel your body becoming more relaxed. With every exhale, let go a little more. Imagine releasing stress and pressure. Let it flow out of your body with each breath. You are creating space within yourself. Space for calm clarity and focus. Feel a sense of ease spreading through your body. From your head down to your feet. Let your breath guide you deeper into calm. You are safe to pause and reset. You do not have to carry everything at once. This moment is enough. Feel your mind becoming clearer and lighter. Allow your thoughts to slow down naturally. Take a deeper breath in and release it slowly. Notice how your body feels now. More grounded, more present. Carry this calm energy with you. As you continue through your day, you can return to this feeling anytime you need. Take one final deep breath in and slowly breathe out. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Please subscribe, like, and share. We see you in the next video.